In this video, we're about to make some spring rolls, and the lady down here in the middle there, Regent, so she's teaching us how to put together all this stuff. The carrot, we cut up some carrots, everything's all small, and we mash them together with our hands. And then eventually we're gonna go back to the kitchen, and that's where we're gonna put stuff together and put the spring rolls. So you know what's gonna take place, right? Some of us go there. I think some of us have some different dishes, so not everybody goes at the same time, depending on what you're making. I decided to make spring rolls because I had spring rolls before. They were very tasty, so it's good to know how to make that. So a whole bunch of us are making spring roll. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including me. That will make 8. That's like most of the class there. Be making spring rolls. Yeah, showing us spring rolls can be very tasty. And by the way, she has said spring roll is not really a Thai dish. Nope. It's not a Thai dish, but they do make it in Thailand. Matter of fact, in Vietnam, we also learned to make that. And I saw a video years ago where a man from Vietnam, he went to to Africa. Yeah, Dakar, and he makes spring rolls. He makes it so well that he's making a good living there, making spring rolls in Dakar. Anyway, let's put some music on.